tayong mga Pilipino na binahagi sa amin ng maraming kaibigan na bumulong daw. Na kung mahal na mahal mo yung tao at nakikita mong nagsasuffer, have the courage to tell that person that you will be okay and that you're releasing that person. Papunta tayo ng Tuesday, July 21. I was alone. It's about 2 in the morning. With the permission of my sisters, tinahingan ko nagising ang mom. Nag-rosary muna ako before I talk to her so I'd have the courage. Mata sa mata, boy, eye to eye, I was able to tell her, Mom, we love you so much. Nag-usap kaming lahat. We know that you were fighting this cancer because you loved us and you knew we were not ready. But I said, Mom, you know, nagigilty na kami kasi nakikita namin na nahihirapan ka. And I told her na we all talked about it, Mom, and we can promise you, aalagaan namin ang isa't isa. We're gonna take care of each other. But Mom, we're ready. We're ready for you to join Dad. Kasi ayaw na namin nakikita nahihirapan ka. And I said, I'm sorry, Mom, na nahihirapan ka this much. I didn't cry for the whole time. Again, kasi pinromise ko sa mga kapatid ko when I'm talking to Mom, hindi ako iiyak. And why, you know, she told me, Chris, don't worry. Yung parang, sinasabi niya, huwag na lang ako mag-alala. Kasi she didn't want me to go on because she knew from the way my voice was cracking kung ano yung emotions ko. Kaya sinabi niya, don't worry. And all my life, all our lives, it's been that way with Mom. Kasi parang people were saying na, di mo ba na-feel dati na nakakulong ang dad mo? And I said, no, because Mom made it feel so normal. When my dad died, boy, alam mo, araw-araw, because I would be crying in school, sinusundo niya ako. Alam ng lahat ng pinagdaanan ko. And every time Mom has been there. So, yung don't worry na yun, totoo yun. I never had to worry kasi ang Mom ang nag-aasikaso ng lahat. I told my siblings that I was able to say it. And the next day, my sister Gail came and she repeated the same words to Mom. That day, nagkatampuhan kami ni Deo at ni Tita Cory. And